In this video, I'm going to talk about a situation where you are trying to, you have configured a DHCP server, in this case, this server here, and you have configured the DHCP relay agent, and you have also IP connectivity between these two devices, but for some reason, the PC or the laptop here are unable to get an IP address. So, and you have a switch that is connected to the DHCP relay agent, and you just want to make sure, and you are able to log into the switch, and so my point is, if these hosts are unable to get an IP address via DHCP for some reason, you can actually log into this switch and configure a port and configure that port to get an IP address via DHCP. So we can actually do that. So let me go ahead and go to this core switch here, or the DHCP relay agent. So you just want to make sure that the switch is connected to, this port here belongs to the correct VLAN. So in this case, this port here, gig 10/1/0/4 belongs to VLAN 20. Now, of course, it should be the case on this side here, on the access switch. So our port is fast Ethernet 0/1, so it belongs to VLAN 20. So what you can do, if you are on this switch, you can actually configure an SVI and configure that SVI to get an IP address via DHCP, like what I did here. So as you can see, interface VLAN 20. I configure this SVI to get an IP address via DHCP. And when you do a show IP interface brief, you can see that it has an IP address of 10.1.20.2, which is this network here, 10.1.20.0/24. So that's a way for you to verify if the DHCP server and DHCP relay agent are configured correctly and working. So this is actually, like I said earlier, this is applicable if you are able to connect or to log into the switch and remotely, and for some reason the field tech on site are not able to get these, for example, this PC here or this laptop here, to get an IP address from via DHCP. So you can actually verify DHCP from your end. You don't need to you don't need to really troubleshoot the laptop on site. So that's the purpose of this video, because this is a very helpful way for you as an engineer to verify the DHCP if it's working from your end. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.